Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this flower choker. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my flower choker. Now I'll show you how to make my flower choker. First I'm using black thread and a needle and I'm sewing this lace trimming, both edges together, there. Next I will gather this lace trimming all around there and I will create a flower from this lace. My lace flower is finished now and it looks like that, nice and cute. Next I will glue on this decorative flower. I'm applying hot glue at the back of the decorative flower and I'm gluing that decorative flower on top of the lace flower. Next I'm applying hot glue on one of the felt fabric circle pieces and I'm gluing that felt fabric circle piece at the back of the flower. Next I'll glue on my flower on this cross grain ribbon. I'm applying hot glue at the back of the flower, like that. And I'm gluing this cross grain ribbon on top of that flower at the back. Applying hot glue on this felt fabric circle piece and gluing that circle piece at the back of the flower. I have glued that flower slightly off the center so it is on the side of the neck. So it looks nice and cute on the neck. Next I will attach these fasteners on each end of the cross grain ribbon. So I'm attaching this fastener on one side of the cross grain ribbon and I'm using pliers to squeeze that fastener together on the ribbon and it looks like that. Yeah, I forgot to mention I'm using pliers also on this project and I'm repeating same on other side. And my flower choker is finished. If you have any questions how I made this flower choker, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.